10 bullets or less, the law that's dividing America. In a move that rekindles national debate over public safety and constitutional freedoms, the U.S. Supreme Court on Friday declined to hear a challenge to Washington D.C.'s ban on high-capacity firearm magazines. While the decision leaves in place a lower court's ruling upholding the restriction, it also raises pressing questions about the balance between individual rights and collective security in a society grappling with gun violence. Supporters of the ban argue it is a rational step toward reducing mass shooting casualties. DC's law prohibits the possession or sale of ammunition-feeding devices that hold more than 10 rounds, with limited exceptions. Backed by data showing that self-defense incidents typically involve only a few shots, the measure aims to restrict tools often exploited in mass shootings. A 2023 ruling by Judge Rudolph Contreras reinforced this logic, stating that large-capacity magazines are not typically possessed for lawful self-defense and that the regulation aligns with the nation's historical firearm traditions. From a sociological standpoint, the ruling reflects a broader cultural conflict. Urban populations, often affected by gun violence, support tighter regulations, while some gun owners view any limitation as an erosion of personal liberty. The plaintiffs in the case, licensed handgun carriers, argued that the Second Amendment protects weapons commonly used for lawful purposes. Their failed appeal signals the court's current reluctance to further expand gun rights, despite its conservative leanings. However, this stance is not without its critics. Opponents warn that curbing access to certain firearm accessories may set a precedent for broader restrictions, stoking fears of governmental overreach. Yet public trust and safety, particularly in densely populated areas, cannot be overlooked. Ultimately, the court's decision underscores an unresolved national tension. How do we preserve constitutional freedoms without compromising societal safety? In a polarized America, finding that equilibrium remains one of the greatest legal and moral challenges of